Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are testing that Portronics Mport V3 is work with OnePlus mobile. Okay, and this thing is not working with my S25 Ultra, but actually we are testing that is it working on my OnePlus 70. Okay, open my OnePlus 70 settings, go to About page. Then you can see it is my OnePlus 70 and working with Android version 12. Okay, and we are simply connecting this device. This is my Portronics .1 mic, and I'm connecting this mouse dongle to this dock station. Okay, it's connected. Now I'm connecting this to my phone and like this flipped, because my phone not supporting direct connection, so flip this one and connecting. Okay, it is connected. Then you can see here there is a notification configure physical keyboard, and it is working. You can see here mouse pointer is here, it is working. So that means Mport V3 of Portronics dock station is working with my OnePlus 70. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. In this way you can easily identify this Portronics dock station is working with my OnePlus Mobile 70. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.